text. Hi, it's Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you new software called Script Vocalizer, which we've been working on for the past 9 months. Script Vocalizer is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app which allows you to generate full-featured voiceovers from any text using raw and direct access to Amazon Poly Pipeline without spending thousands of dollars by simply pasting your text into Script Vocalizer. It's that easy. It allows even complete beginners to generate professional-sounding voiceovers in seconds. Uses advanced, we went over that about the Amazon Poly, which is actually, it's pretty good. You can hear them here in a second. They got a little thing we'll go over and let you listen to it, but it sounds pretty dang real compared to some of these other ones out there. So seems like it's a pretty nice little software. Export your voiceovers to use in any video app. So you can take any video app you have and you can put your own voiceovers to them and put them in any app. So there's any one you got out there, it's supposed to go in with it. So that's kind of cool. Here's what it sounds like. We'll go ahead and listen to this little skit here. Actually, you won't be able to hear it on my computer, that's right. So I'll go ahead and that's on my bonus page too. You guys can hear that if you'd like to. Gives you a little sample. It's on my bonus page, which is in the link in the description below if you want to go there and check it out. Here's some more voices you can listen to. This is all the different voices they have. They got names for them, so they're easy to remember. 47 of them, I guess they say. Easy, 3 steps. Step 1, you just select the language. Step 2, just paste your text. Step 3, hit the create button and you're done. So pretty simple. Cloud-based, 47, 24 languages. We went over all that stuff. Here's some of the pricing. You got your $9.95 a month, or pay just $69 one time and you have no monthly fees. So that sounds like that's a pretty good option there. But if you don't have the $69, you can always do the $9.95 a month as well. So there's some testimonials or what people are saying about the software. Frequently asked questions. Do I have to install Script Vocalizer on my computer? No, Script Vocalizer is cloud software, so you don't need to install anything on your computer. How much do updates cost? Updates are free for the duration of the license. Is ordering completely risk-free? Of course. At any time in the next 30 days you decide Script Vocalizer is not for you, simply send us the receipt and we'll promptly send you a refund. You will, however, lose access to Script Vocalizer's account. How many voiceovers can I create with Script Vocalizer? With Script Vocalizer you can do unlimited number of voiceovers. Does it include step-by-step instructions? Yes, it does. It's got some pretty good instructional videos in there, so it'll teach you everything you need to know, which it's only 3 steps, so it's pretty easy to work around. So anyway, 30-day guarantee. Okay, now we'll go over some bonuses. Like I was saying, this one here is my bonus page, which is in the link in the description below. If you click on that, it will bring you to this page, which is my bonus page, which I would have exclusive to me that I've made for you guys that will go with this software really good, I think. So like I said, there's one on here that will teach you how to make money selling your voiceovers on Fiverr. So we'll go over that real quick. Here's my bonus page. These are the bonuses I'm giving you, which are exclusive to me. Nobody else will be giving you these bonuses. So if you want these killer bonuses, you got to click on the link in the description below and it'll bring you through to this page, and then you just click on any of these buttons here and it will take you through to get it. And also this one is on ClickBank, so I'll have my email in the link in the description as well. So if you do buy it through mine, you'll have to take a screenshot of your ClickBank receipt and then just email it to me, and I will send you over these bonuses so that you'll get these bonuses. You got your 25 best voiceover tips. Bonus number 2, 9 ways to record better sounding voiceovers. Bonus number 3, how to make selling voiceovers on Fiverr. This is a pretty good one. It'll teach you how to make some quick cash selling over your voiceovers. Bonus number 4, 10 best websites to find voiceover jobs. So that's a good one as well. It'll give you more than just Fiverr, a couple other websites that you can go and actually sell your voiceovers on. So hope you guys enjoy them. Worked hard to get those guys for you. So like I said, nobody else will have these bonuses. So just click any of these green buttons. It'll take you through the page to order Script Vocalizer, and then you just email me with your ClickBank receipt and I will send these over to you. And then also bonus number 5, you get your vendor bonuses. So these are bonuses here, will probably be the ones that everybody else is offering, are these bonuses, but you won't get these ones above. These are just mine, but I didn't want you guys to miss out. So you know, if you buy through me, you will also get the bonuses that everybody else is given, which are going to be these here, which is, let's see, you'll be getting. I hope you guys liked it, and till the next time, see ya.